wasted. White boy wasted.
Hey, back at it again with another Saturday night special. And of course, this time I thought I could do something cool, like a mixed drink that I've made for my friends a few times. I think it's cool. I don't know how everybody else likes it, but I like it at least. So, this one is very straightforward. I went all over town trying to find a liquor store that carried dark chocolate liqueur, but of course, I couldn't find any. So this is going to be the basic version. Of course, this is an alcoholic mixed drink, so this is for people that are 21 years of age or older. So for those of you under 21, please look away. Okay, they're gone? All right, we can continue. So there are only 3 ingredients here for this basic version. Like I said before, I wanted to try adding dark chocolate liqueur into this also, but I couldn't find any, so whatever. 3 main ingredients. We have our milk here, which you can either use whole milk, 2%, 1%, whatever type of milk you like, soy milk, it doesn't matter. I use 2% because that's what I have on hand right now. Then we've got salted caramel Bailey's Irish cream, and we have chocolate malt Ovaltine. This one is my absolute favorite. For the longest time, I thought this was weird and I never wanted to try it until I did try it, and it turns out it's actually really good. So everybody should try this. It's awesome. They even have a recipe for chocolate malt milkshakes, which are also really awesome. Maybe I can make those sometime too. Okay. Back to business. So, like I said, this is very straightforward. I'm going to be using my limited edition Denver shot glass for the measurements here. Make sure this is dry. So we start off with, which one do I want to start with? We'll start with our Ovaltine. So I'm going to put the equivalent volume of 2 shots of Ovaltine powder into this to start off. Usually I put the milk in first just because it keeps it from settling on the bottom. Actually, I think I'll do that. And I'm making a mess. So we put just a tiny bit of milk in, that way the chocolate powder doesn't create a layer on the bottom. Then we'll put in our Ovaltine. Now we'll do 2 shots of Bailey's. Oh God, I hope I don't spill. Because Bailey's is not cheap. Oh, that was close. And I spilled. Rip. And at this point, we just fill the rest with the milk. We'll leave a little room so I can stir it up. I hope this is charged enough. Sort of. Kind of hard to reach down there since this cup's awkwardly shaped. But there you have it. There is our salted caramel chocolate malt Bailey's cream liqueur mix. I really love this. I hope you like it too. So feel free to try it out. Maybe bring some to your party. Who knows? Do whatever. But That's my Saturday night special, and I will see you next time.